Welcome back, Sea Safari Explorers, to another amazing journey through the Western Indian Ocean and the unique biodiversity contributing to our beautiful cultural heritage, tourism and economic success. Tanzania is blessed with a rich tapestry of aquatic ecosystems, from the vast expanses of Lake Victoria and Lake Tanganyika to the serene wetlands and estuaries. Conservation of lakes, rivers, wetlands and estuaries is absolutely vital to marine conservation. They are not just freshwater ecosystems, but also integral parts of the broader oceanic and coastal system. Rivers and estuaries transport nutrients, freshwater and sediments to the ocean. These inputs support marine food chains, from plankton to fish to larger marine animals. Healthy freshwater flows maintain salinity balance in coastal and marine habitats, which is essential for coral reefs, mangroves and seagrasses to thrive. Estuaries and wetlands serve as breeding and nursery grounds for countless marine species, including commercially important fish and crustaceans. Over 70% of fish species in tropical coastal waters rely on estuaries and wetlands at some point in their life cycle. Wetlands act as natural water purifiers, removing heavy metals, toxins and excess nutrients from runoff that would otherwise degrade ocean health and cause dead zones or algal blooms. Pollution, over-extraction of water and damming of rivers disrupt the flow of life to the seas. For example, the Aral Sea in Kazakhstan and parts of the Gulf of Mexico have suffered massive ecological damage due to upstream water mismanagement. Healthy freshwater ecosystems support fishing, agriculture, tourism and transport, which are directly linked to coastal and marine economies. Protecting these ecosystems safeguards food security, especially in developing regions. In the case of East Africa and Tanzania, major rivers like the Rufiji and Ruvuma empty into the Indian Ocean, feeding crucial marine ecosystems like mangrove forests, delta estuaries and coral reefs. Wetlands such as the Kilombero Valley and Lake Victoria tributaries are critical for controlling floods and supporting biodiversity, which has a ripple effect downstream in the ocean. These estuaries, lakes and rivers are home to an incredible array of life. However, many of these species, including iconic birds like flamingos, unique fish and elusive mammals such as otters, face growing threats. In Tanzania, several lake ecosystems face biodiversity threats, with species extinctions and declines occurring in lakes like Victoria, Tanganyika and Manyara due to factors like overfishing, pollution, habitat loss and climate change. A recent study by the University of Dar es Salaam on lakeshore sediments revealed high concentrations of zinc, copper and lead metals in Lake Victoria. According to the IUCN's freshwater biodiversity in Lake Victoria Basin, 20% of 651 species native to Lake Victoria are at risk. Meanwhile, 76% of the 204 species only found in Lake Victoria are at risk for total extinction, adversely affecting species and livelihoods which depend on these fragile ecosystems. Introducing the Dar es Salaam Aquarium, a sanctuary dedicated not only to showcasing the wonders of our aquatic life, but also to championing their conservation. Consider the lesser flamingo, predominantly found at Lake Nyasa. This lake serves as their primary breeding ground, yet environmental changes and human activities threaten their habitat. By featuring these magnificent birds in our exhibits, we can offer visitors a close-up view, fostering a deeper understanding and connection to their plight in the wild. Then there's the African Coelacanth, a living fossil residing in the depths off Tanzania's coast. Once thought extinct, its rediscovery emphasizes the importance of marine conservation. Through detailed displays and educational programs, the aquarium highlights the significance of preserving such rare species. Our freshwater systems are home to the African clawless otter and the spot-necked otter. These charismatic mammals rely on clean rivers and lakes. Pollution and habitat destruction have led to their decline. By observing them up close, visitors can appreciate their role in the ecosystem and the necessity of protecting their habitats. In Lake Nyasa, the critically endangered Kampango fish faces threats from overfishing and habitat degradation. Our aquarium collaborates with local communities to promote sustainable fishing and raise awareness about such species, ensuring their survival for future generations. Education is at the heart of our mission. By offering interactive sessions, we will inspire the next generation to become stewards of the environment. Studies have shown that experiences in aquariums and zoos can significantly enhance understanding and concern for conservation issues. Beyond exhibits, the Dar es Salaam Aquarium will become actively involved in breeding programs for endangered species, research initiatives, and habitat restoration projects. Our efforts extend beyond our walls, aiming for tangible impacts in the wild. The Dar es Salaam Aquarium will serve as a bridge between Tanzanians and their rich aquatic heritage. By bringing the wonders of our waters closer to the people, we hope to ignite a collective passion for conservation, ensuring that the symphony of life in our lakes, rivers and seas continues to thrive. Our initiatives in conservation will impact livelihoods along coastal East Africa, including lakes and estuaries, and can positively attract investments in ecotourism and the overall economic success of Tanzania as a leader in marine conservation in East Africa. This video was made possible through the support of the Dar es Salaam Aquarium Foundation. Visit daraquafoundation.org to join us in our journey to conserve East Africa's aquatic treasures. If you found this video interesting, please like, share, and subscribe to receive more enlightening content on marine conservation in the Western Indian Ocean. Until next time, sea safari explorers, keep conserving and exploring.